Are you looking to increase your sales? Of course you are. With over 1.4 billion gallons sold each year, ice cream is hands down America's favorite dessert. Now you can offer your customers a fresh, premium, soft-serve frozen custard from Topper's Craft Creamery. Adding Topper's soft serve is easy. Just plug in our countertop machine into a standard 110 outlet, pour our proprietary frozen custard mix into the machine, and push the freeze button. After 15 minutes, pull the handle to serve up some delicious cups and cones. Every savvy operator knows they must maximize their sales per square foot. Topper's Craft Creamery provides the best return on investment in less than 2 linear feet. So keep more in your pocket with food costs of only 25% and increase your average ticket with our turnkey soft serve solution. Get ready to boost your sales as our partners typically see profits of 50 to 60% from their added ice cream sales. And the best part? Maintenance is simple and easy. It takes just 15 to 20 minutes per week. Simply run soapy water through the unit, wash a few parts, reassemble, fill, and freeze. And if most of your business has moved to carry-out or delivery, we have the solution to keep our frozen custard, well, frozen. Our grab-and-go Sundays allow you to add a frozen treat to your current offerings. And it lets guests and customers make their own selection with our top access or countertop freezer. So if increasing your profits with a quality soft serve frozen custard sounds like it might be a fit for you, call us today. We look forward to hearing from you.